At the time of filming, this is our simplest RC kit, the Balsa Basics Cub. It is designed to be a non-intimidating route into building your own RC plane from balsa wood. It comes in two forms, the Balsa Basics Cub, which is a simple 3-channel plane with no ailerons. This one relies on its dihedral to both remain nice and stable in the air and to turn using only the rudder. The Balsa Basics Super Cub is a 4-channel aircraft and has ailerons for full 3-axis control. Both planes are very simple to fly, the Cub being a nice floaty docile flyer for calm days, with the Super Cub having that added control suitable for learning aileron flying, which is really very helpful for flying more advanced aircraft like the Spitfire. We have the aileron wing available as a separate kit if you'd like to buy the standard Cub and upgrade later on. You can get either kit as just the airframe and onboard electronics, or the airframe, electronics, transmitter, battery charger and everything that you'd need all in one package to get started. The plane goes together with laser cut components that slot together in an intuitive way. No full-size plan is required, as you can simply assemble the wing, fuselage and tail on a table. You can use both the printed instructional booklet and the helpful online videos we have on our website to build the kit. The Cub has been designed for a wide range of electronics, meaning that if you have any leftover motors that are similar to our recommended 2213 Emax motor, a compatible ESC and some 9-gram servos, you can use those to power your model. There is also lots of room under the nose for a range of battery sizes. Having the battery located under here rather than in a hatch removes complexity, allows for greater flexibility and helps to remove headaches at the flying field. In short, it makes setting up and powering on your model much easier. Everything is right there at your fingertips and there's no messing around. With this very popular size of battery, a 2200 mAh 3-cell, you can expect to get well over 20 minutes of flight time with our standard motor and ESC combo. Calm weather is great for the Cub. On a windy day though, the Super Cub with its extra control can take on more challenging conditions. That's the Cub. If you'd like to get offers, articles and news about new products, make sure to sign up to our newsletter on our website. We send it out once a week on Friday. Thank you for watching, make sure to subscribe for new videos and we will see you very soon.
Successful. Excellent.